You ever watched Thomas the Tank Engine? You see, you watch something nowadays, what is it? It's twists, drama, violence. No message. What's the point? Everything I learnt about people, I learnt from Thomas. You see, take Tangerine here as an example. He's Gordon, the blue one, the most important and the strongest, but he doesn't always listen to others. People can be Edwards, hard-working, strong, kind. You know, some people are Diesels. Fuck me, those are trouble. But you're a Percy. Young, kind, innocent. Not all there.